Coding circuits isn't so scary when you use the BrainClip kit and the BrainPad Pulse. In this video we're going to show you how to wire up and code the motion sensor module. Take it away, Mary.
Thanks, Jim. Open your BrainClip kit and find the motion sensor module. A motion sensor is a special device that notices movement. The motion sensor inside the BrainClip kit is called a PIR motion sensor because it uses passive infrared to detect differences in heat such as body heat. Since infrared energy is present and can be detected regardless of the amount of light in the environment, a PIR motion sensor will work just fine in the dark. We will use this sensor to create an alarm when motion is detected near our BrainPad Pulse. Let's connect the motion sensor to the BrainPad Pulse. Using an alligator clip, connect the red wire to the 3.3-volt pad on the BrainPad Pulse. Connect the other end to VCC on the motion sensor. Using a black alligator clip wire, attach it to the ground pad labeled GND on the BrainPad Pulse and connect it to the GND pad on the motion sensor. Finally, connect P0 on the BrainPad Pulse to the out pad on the motion sensor. If you need to, you can pause the video while wiring the components. Let's start coding. We often use loops to check a pin repeatedly, but in the case of the motion sensor we can use an event block that will fire and run the code inside it when the pin changes. The event has the option to fire when the pin goes from low to high, pulse high, or from high to low, pulse low. Let's add a siren sound when motion is detected. We can grab the play sound block. It's found under music. Place it inside our event block and select the siren sound. Let's also display a stop sign on the screen to scare away any intruders. Under display, grab the show image block and select the stop sign by clicking inside the gray area. Let's also do something when there is no motion detected. Duplicate the event block we have but change it to fire when the pin is low. Inside this event, let's put in the go sign telling us all clear. Let's also add a stop all sounds block and put it inside the event block. Load the program onto the BrainPad Pulse. Chances are, the BrainPad Pulse immediately detected our own movement and ran the blocks inside that event. Try moving away from the BrainPad Pulse until the alarm stops. This will also tell you how far the motion sensor detects an object. Awesome! Let's try something different. Motion sensors aren't always used to catch bad guys. Sometimes we want to use them to do things like turn a light on when someone enters a room. Let's do that. Remove all the blocks inside both of the event blocks. We'll use the Pulse's onboard LED and the screen's light bulb to simulate a real light. Under LED, grab the Set LED to Block and put one in each of the event blocks. Make sure the one we need to be off is set to off and the one we need on is set to on. Next, grab the Show Image block and put one inside each event block. Select the appropriate light bulb image we need. Load the program onto the BrainPad Pulse. Test the results. Awesome! Besides security and turning lights on and off, can you think of other ways motion sensors are used in the real world? That's it for now. BrainPad. Play, code, excel.